Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hello, how are you all? I hope you're doing so good today. Here is my autumnal monochromatic makeup look using nudestix. This is the shade in the nude, which is just, honestly, it is what it says. It's a very neutral nude shade, but it's incredible. I've done my base, I've done my skincare. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do my eyes first. Just take a makeup brush. You can just smudge it on, but I like to use a makeup brush, and you just literally go in where you want it, blend it out if you want to. It is incredible. Let me do cheeks. So I have my It Cosmetics buffer brush, and I just tap, and I like to do my blusher quite high up and like here, because I feel like it lifts the face. And then on my nose, I always do my nose. I know some people don't like this. I've seen a lot of girls, when they use nudestix, they tend to do the faux freckles, which I think is super cute. I'm not going to do that today because I don't have the time, but you can definitely do that and really kind of bring out this monochromatic look with a few little faux freckles, if you don't already have freckles, of course. If you do, you lucky person, because they are stunning. Right, so that's the cheeks. You can add more, you can add less, it really is up to you. Now for lips, I'm going to use another brush. A lot of people just kind of, but I like to dab it on like that, so it kind of smudges it a bit. Sorry, I had to sit down. I was sitting on my knees and my feet went numb. So as you can see, it's kind of just done a neutral look. And then you can always go in if you want a bit more on, which I did. And that's that. How easy is that? You can use mascara if you want to. I'm not going to bother. Because I just got, you know what it is about mascara, I just don't want to take it off at the minute. I just can't be bothered to take it off. But there we are. So that's it my lovelies. This is my monochromatic makeup look. Super simple, super quick, beautiful turnout. I love how my skin looks when I do monochromatic makeup look. I absolutely love how my skin looks. I love the overall kind of result. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope you found it fun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share it with all your friends, and I will give this video a big thumbs up, of course, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.